All right, this is the Rocksteady Cushion Steel Strap Kit, and here's how you assemble it. First thing you want to do is straighten out the strap. It comes standard with a 21-inch strap, which is large enough to go around any size aircraft strut. And this is stainless steel wrapped in a rubber cushion. And we take we call this a buckle plate, and the strap goes over top the number 10 threaded hole, and the plate goes over top of that. And then we take the number 10 screw and tighten up that snug. So then we take our V-block and put it on top of our rubber gasket on top of the strut to protect the strut. Now all of the strut is protected by rubber. Then we wrap this nice and tight around the strut. And then here, typically you want to trim this a little bit long. That way, if you have another size strut that's a little bit bigger, you can still use this without having to get another strap. But we go ahead and trim this. So to trim this, a good quality cutter like this or a tin snips will cut the stainless steel. Now we can go ahead and put the rubber strap through the slot. And now we want to figure out which holes to line up our red block on. So I would say right about there. So then what we could do is we just peel the rubber back. Okay, once we snug down those screws, then you can go ahead and put the rubber cover back over the strap. Line up our block. Run the strap through the slot. And one thing you can do is you can actually bend the buckle plate just a little bit. Give it more of an angle depending on the size of the strut. And that'll help line up the strap through the hole. We'd make sure we take the slack out of the bottom, slide that up nice and tight. And now our thumb nut can go into the red block. Once you take this on and off a couple times and you get a memory built into the strap, you can take it off and on pretty easily just with the thumb screw by hand. And we go ahead and tighten that up to our liking. That's very, very secure and rigid. And then you can bend the extra little bit of strap down. And there is your cushion steel strap.